to your 1-minute yoga teacher training. Today we're going to use one of my favorite props, the yoga wheel. If you don't have a yoga wheel, these are incredible fun tools. They really help with back openers, but there are a lot of less obvious ways to use them. If you're looking for a recommendation on a wheel, I have a link in my profile in my Amazon storefront. Definitely check that out. If you have your wheel already, let's get started. Parasvatanasana, also known as pyramid pose, is a posture that you can use the wheel. Instruct your students to take the wheel with both hands. Then we're going to inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale as we fold forward, bringing the wheel onto the ground. Great thing about the wheel is that you can move it forward more, bring yourself deeper into the stretch. So if you want to come more out of it, move the wheel back. If you want to come deeper in, you move the wheel forward. Let's have on a really fun transition to this Parasvatanasana and do Virabhadrasana 3. This is great for students who are having a little bit of difficulty finding balance in Warrior 3. We're already in our Parasvatanasana. We're going to go ahead and just roll that wheel forward as we begin to put the weight onto one leg and lift up the back leg, pointing it backward. So now the whole time the student has the wheel to help them stabilize as they focus on moving the weight into the back. Then you want them to just slowly come down with control. The wheel helps them to control their movements so that they're not falling out of their balance. Light up that follow button for more yoga teacher tips. I'll see you in the next video.